Probably heard by now, Federal Reserve cutting interest rates.
A lot of people are going, woo woo. Well, the decision could help people trying to borrow money for a house or car, but it's probably going to take a while to really feel those effects. The half-point cut moves the benchmark rate from its 23-year high of 5.25% down to 4.75%. The initial impact is expected to be small for loans like used cars and credit card rates. The Fed chair believes more rate cuts will happen in the next few months and years.
With these new cuts, it may have you wondering about what it could do to the local housing market.
Well, we know that Northwest Arkansas can struggle with affordable housing and the supply. 5 News reporter Lauren Spencer joining us now with what the experts are saying. Hey, Lauren.
Yeah, what a relief it will be for borrowers. Today, those rates were cut 0.5% when economists predicted they'd only cut by 1/4. Today, I spoke with a realtor and a lender who both say it'll have an impact on the housing market, but it's not likely to make a difference for those who are struggling to afford a home now. Irvin Jebraj, an economist and director for the Center of Economic Research at the University of Arkansas, says this cut was a long time coming, 4 years since a reduction.
Today's rate cut reflects the environment where inflation rate has declined to 2.5%, and they're trying to prevent the unemployment rate from going up any further.
It's moving to bring down borrowing costs as people deal with inflation and high rates on things like a mortgage. But he says it's not necessarily going to help the housing market.
Unfortunately, probably going to increase as more people try to buy homes with lower mortgage rates, so then the home prices are going to go up.
Caitlin Munch, a Northwest Arkansas realtor, says things have improved since January.
If you're buying a house in Northwest Arkansas, interest rates are pretty good. We're seeing a lot of buyers in the market right now.
They're not expecting to see a drop in interest rates as they've already been prepping. And this doesn't mean prices are going to come down too. So she recommends to buy now.
So the interest rate cuts were already priced into the market. So what we're seeing right now for interest rates is what we're going to continue to see for the next few months. Interest rates going down doesn't mean that house prices are going down. We live in an awesome area, and I think that house prices will continue to go up with the growth.
Kylie Connor, a mortgage lender, says this could be beneficial if you want to put your home on the market. As before, fewer owners wanted to sell, and buyers were competing over a small number of properties.
As rates go down, you could see more sellers enter the market because they are open to selling their home and not afraid of the interest rates anymore. I know a lot of people were holding on to that 3%, 4% interest rate. If you haven't talked to a mortgage lender, just check in and see, what you could afford. If you have previously bought, now's a great time just to check in, see if you could qualify for a refinance and get that monthly payment lowered.
The Federal Reserve is anticipating to make more cuts. Connor says they should continually see the housing market conditions improve. Lauren Spencer, 5 News.